Welcome back. You've already got 5 answers under your belt. Now, let's finish this strong. Let's go. You've been asking the question for a minute now. How do I get the promotion? Forget promising more. Deliver faster. Companies don't care about all the extras. They care about results. Speed up your delivery on their goals, and they'll notice. Get things done quickly and watch how fast you climb the ladder. The 6-figure plus salary is yours when you stop increasing your promises and increase your speed. It's a race to the market to secure the most market share. This is the society we live in. Your job doesn't want to be promised more. They just want it done. This is your answer, problem solved. Why can't I save money? This problem weighs heavy on you. At its core, this is a self-control issue. Try this, the 72-hour rule. Want something new? Wait 72 hours before buying. After 3 days, that shiny object might not seem so shiny anymore. You'll realize you didn't need it anyway. Boom, money saved, simple, effective, and totally doable. Most temporary desires dissipate and become distant within 72 hours, and this is why it works. This is your answer, problem solved. No one ever understands you. As a result, you don't get what you want. If you want people to understand you, here's the trick. Explain it to them like they're 10 years old. Not in a condescending way, just start simple. People trust you more when you're practical first. Once you're locked in with their trust, you can flex your intelligence. Practicality builds trust, and trust is the foundation of respect. This is your answer, problem solved. Feel like the answers you're always in search of are just out of reach? Here's a truth bomb. Every answer is in a book. You just don't like to read, or you haven't uncovered that specific book just yet. You're not looking in the right places. Highly intelligent people know that people that hide things, people that hide information, always put it in a book. The very elite know that only a limited amount of people are truly destined for answers for success. The knowledge you desire is hidden in plain sight. If you want to crack life's toughest problems, you need to start turning those pages. This is your answer, problem solved. You've got one more lingering problem. How do you win people over? If you want to win people over, always start with the benefits. Whether it's a relationship or business, people care about what's in it for them. If you're trying to get someone to marry you, don't dive into all the details. Focus on the benefits. Give them the outcomes in short, impactful sentences. What can they expect? How will they benefit? In business, it's the same. Consumers don't care about the process. They care about the results. Say you own a distilled water company. You don't need to explain how you filter and infuse minerals into the water. Instead, tell them how your water hydrates their thirst and keeps them healthy in 1.2 seconds. You're not selling the process, you're offering a solution. This is your answer, problem solved. There you have it, 10 answers to the problems you could never solve. Apply them and start solving. The answers were always within your reach. All you had to do was grab them. This is your answer, problem solved. For more videos like this one, click on the pop-up video on your screen. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss a video where we live, learn, and create.